Hey guys, Alice here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 businesses that you can start today as a stay-at-home mom or a student. These businesses, they do not really need so much capital, and some do not even need capital at all. If this is what interests you to watch, please do not skip any part of the video because you do not know the business that is going to work for you. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. The number 1 business that you can do as a stay-at-home mom is thrift business, popularly known as Okirika. Forget the packaging name, Okirika. See, that particular business is a blood money. I tell you from a fact, because this is the business that my own friend is doing. You do not need to buy a bill. Yes, you don't need to buy a bill before you can start this business. Okay, in as far you have a large market in your area, as a big market in your area that you can go and source for this product, you do not need to start with a bill. And even though you do not have a big market around you, see, everybody is now coming to the social media space. You can find these vendors on Facebook and on Instagram. Okay, I know once you just hear Okirika, you'll be like, I don't think this business will work. My dear, this business works for everybody. Okay, what you need to do is, you don't need to be all over the place. You are selling on this, you are selling gym wear, you are selling shoe, you are selling this, you are selling that. No, what you are going to do is to pick the particular parts that really interest you. Like, decide to sell 2 or 3. Anything more than 3, I'm not sure it's advisable. This is the business I have done before, so I'm telling you from my own experience. It's better for you to choose 1 or 2. Maximum 3 is fine. Let me take for instance, I am selling gym wear. I'm selling gym wear for men and for women. It's okay for me to sell gym shoe along with the gym wear. That is, when someone buy gym wear from me, that person can also buy shoes from me. That's, I am actually selling 3 things at the same time, and these 3 things actually relate to each other. I don't know if you are getting what I'm saying. Okay, at times you don't even need a capital. You can go to these people in the market, tell them, I just want to start this business, I don't really have capital. Especially if you go to this big market like a Balogun market, Arena, you can decide to hold 20k to go to this market. Or even though you don't have the money, just go talk to these people. They are humans like you. Forget the fact that for you to not trust people, it's not something, it's too difficult to trust people. Talk to them heart to heart. If maybe they did not agree, just see them, do a market survey, know within yourself if this is the thing I can do. If it's something you can do, just rallying around, look for 20,000 naira and start this business. See, if you do this business for 5 to 6 months, you are going to be making money. Like, most people know you for this particular thing that you are selling, they will start looking for you. Do you get? You can set to 20k. You tell these people, I'm not buying to wear, I'm buying to resell. So they are going to beat the price down for you. You are going to count and take 5 shoes from the gym wear, 5 gym wear for women, 5 gym wear for men, and you go. One of those that we need to move around and see and tell you, this is what I'm selling. That strategy still works because you start building an offline audience within yourself. Okay, if you can do that strategy, start telling people, this is what I am selling, they are going to buy from you. And secondly, please do not underestimate the power of social media. Please do not. What do you do this for? You to open a TikTok account and a Facebook page. Start promoting your things. Start promoting your stuff. Join groups, join Facebook group. Let me tell you something. TikTok is one of the best platforms that you grow on time. Yes. Go and open a TikTok and a Facebook page. Start posting these things online, and it will shock you how people will be rushing you. I am telling you this thing out of experience. It's not what I've not done before. Okay, this is what I've done, and this is what my friend is still correctly doing now. This business pays. The number 2 business that you are going to do as a stay-at-home mom or a student is jewelry business, guys. To start a jewelry business, you do not need to import. If you have the money to import, that's fine, but I do not even advise you to import because the exchange rate now is really crazy. If you are the person that change dollars and you know how these things work, you know that the exchange rate of dollar now is really crazy. You are going to buy, you are going to ship, you are going to clear. So I don't really advise you to start importing now. What you need to do is for you to go to all these big markets, especially if you are in Lagos, you are the most lucky one, because when you go to all these big markets like Arena, Balogun, in short, when you are even coming, they'll be telling you, I have WhatsApp group, oh, do you want to join my WhatsApp group? Are you selling it? No, so they'll start asking you questions. You come and you can take pictures so that you can use to show to your audience. You can join their WhatsApp group, and once they post, you go there, you repost. And please, I'm saying it again, do not overlook the power of social media. Go and open a TikTok account and a Facebook page. With my research, I have found out that it's even easier for you to grow on TikTok than Facebook and other social media platforms. But I'm not telling you to overlook the power of Instagram and on Facebook, but please open a TikTok account and a Facebook account. Start posting this product on your TikTok and on your Facebook. You should know that this vendor you are getting from is selling original stuff. Start posting, post every day. Do this thing aggressively. Make sure that you are always giving your audience or your intended audience what to watch every single day. So this brings me to the number 3 business. The number 3 business you can start today as a student or as a stay-at-home mom is assignment and sister. Guys, this particular one is high in demand. Usually parents who work corporate jobs, they are looking for people who can help their children do their assignment. Social media have come to stay and have really make life easy for everyone. You don't need to be there physically. Yeah, you see a parent who need your service that is close to you, it's still okay, but this is not limited to where you are. You can actually do this assignment via Zoom for these children. Yes, it's that simple. Where will you see these parents? Go to Facebook and join parents group. How to train your child, parental group, anything that has to do with parents and kids. You can also join kids group. It's parents who host those groups, and it's mothers and fathers who are joining those groups. Once you join those groups, they can actually allow you to post once or twice a week. You can put in the group that you are a assignment assistant. You assist their children to do their assignment, and have more than 4 to 5 families that you are working with. What you need to do is to give them time. Maybe from 2 to 4, I'm going to be taking family A. From 4 to 6, I'm going to be taking family B. You can share these things across all days in the week and time. You know, please do not sleep on this, guys. This is a high in demand because parents really need people who will assist their children. You don't expect someone who has gone out to work, she's back or is back, one out, and is still back to be doing children's assignment. If you come in and fill that space, they will be thankful and they will be ready to pay you handsomely. This brings us to the end of this video. If you are yet to like this video, what are you waiting for? Please smash the like button for me, subscribe and turn on your bell notification to get notified each time I upload a beautiful content just like this one. If you are a new subscriber, please let me know in the comment section. Just say to me, Alice, I just subscribed. I will send you a welcome up to welcome you to this great family. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.